Okay, guys, so the benefits of the program, what you're going to get and what we cover within the program. So as you can see here, you get discussions, you get to reach out to the people in the Full Potential Mind community, you get performance reports to see where you are and what you need to focus on more. You get to join our live sessions. You get to go into virtual classroom and you get to go into virtual meeting modes. You get webinars, you get leaderboards to hold you accountable and to push you forward to create your own reality and get you from where you are to where you want to be actively and effectively. You get to message our instructors privately. You get notification updates of the program when it's updated and the new content that we're delivering. You get notified. We go over the introductions so you can maximize your results. We get you asking the reason behind why you're doing this program. We get you understand how you can have it all. We cover the flow wheel. You get to understand your power. You get to crystallize what your ultimate goals are for health, wealth, and love, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. We get you to understand what laser beam focus is. We get you to identify what your ultimate goal is and the reason for that goal. We get you forming success habits. We get you understanding what your assets are and what your liabilities are personally and professionally. We get you to understand what life's energy and momentum is all about. We get you implementing discipline and over motivation and get you understanding what the difference is. We get you to understand the language of success. We get you to implement I am affirmations. We get you to understand your limited beliefs and what your limitless beliefs are. And we replace the two, limited versus limitless. We'll get you understanding how to look for opportunities. We get you to understand what the quadrant is and how to delegate. We get you to understand how to implement gratitude in your life daily and live in an attitude of gratitude. We get you to understand and we get you to pushing through your comfort zones and get you growing and understand the difference between comfort and growth zones. We get you to understand how to turn problems into solutions. We get you to understand about chasing the cat. You know, if you have what the cat needs, the cat will come to you. If you chase the cat, then the cat will run from you. We get you to understand and how to implement that strategy. We get you to understand how to influence others into your way of thinking. We get you integrating your personal mission statement so you can become your future story that you write out for yourself. And we break it down to long-term, medium, and short-term goals and stories. We do the same with the visualization action board. We get you creating a vision for your life goal, and we break it down in small, easy, understandable steps. We get you to do monthly, weekly, and daily goals so you can bring your vision into reality and bring your mission statement into reality. We get you to do comfort challenges from where you was when you started to where you are now, and tell your story to inspire others. And we get you to do a comfort challenge where we do a story breakdown and we ask you how your life is changing. We give you the success path so you can keep on track. We give you this section here also to keep yourself on track. We give you morning rituals that make you feel good. You conquer your morning, you will conquer your day. And we get this instilled within you so it naturally becomes a habit. So you don't have to consciously think about how you need to feel good and how you need to stay focused and stay moving forward. It just naturally becomes a habit and second nature to you. We go over the frameworks of how to achieve that. Lessons that we all can remember. We go over infinite power and how you can stay positive and how you can stay moving forward and progressing you forward. How to keep your energy up, your positive energy up, and eliminate those negative emotions and negative thought patterns. So we cover the final message and we give you additional resources. And then last but not least, this is optional. If you want to become a certified full potential of mind instructor, then you can do that. But you have to go through the whole program and request access to unlock this page. So that's what we cover in our course, guys. Like I said, in each section of here, there's around 6 to 8 different frameworks for you to implement to bring your dreams and desires and goals into reality. And what's it worth to you, guys? If you could dissolve destructive mental stress, if you could have long, sustained and strong mental health, how much is it worth to you to create your own reality? How much is that worth? Are you following this, guys? Like, do you understand what I'm saying here? How much is it worth to you to create a clear vision and have clarity in your life, to understand what your purpose is? Like, how much is that worth to you? How much is it worth to you to live in a higher state of fulfillment? Like, do you understand? Like, how are you following me? I just want to make sure that you're following what I'm saying. Like, how much is that worth? How much is it worth to you to bring your dreams, desires, and goals into fruition? Like, how much is that worth to you?